Today I'm going to show you how to create holograms on your mobile screen. If you are new to here, don't forget to subscribe us and smash the bell icon below. You are watching Gadget Station. Today I am going to show you a gadget that can create beautiful holograms like this. This gadget can turn your mobile phone screen into a hologram projector. Without taking more time, let's unbox our 3D holographic hologram display pyramid projector. Now we need to find some hologram videos to project from this pyramid. You can easily find hologram videos in YouTube. Now place the pyramid in the center of your mobile phone screen. Now turn off the lights in the room and enjoy the beautiful holograms. That's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and comment in this video. Don't forget to subscribe us and click the bell icon to see our videos soon as we upload.